Alright guys, today I'm gonna showing you top 5 my exercise for the fitness. Let's go. Warm up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13 warm up. It's very good. Let's do push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every exercise do 13. 13 is a very good challenge. It is very good. We can do it every morning and every day. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, I'm so tired. We can do jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, we have to see result. So every morning do 20 push-ups and 20 jumping jack and 20 warm up and 20 push-ups and 20 squat. I think this is very good. It's a very good. Wake up every day and then do this. Oh. Wow. 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 Every morning we can do it. Don't forget subscribe, okay? Don't forget subscribe. Don't forget like and sub. Let's go.